Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janicia and I'm a health and nutrition coach. On my journey through health and wellness, I'm changing the way I eat to heal my gut and make healthy food choices, one dish at a time. So join me as we dive into the benefits. In this video, I'm exploring the medicinal powers of the pearl oyster mushrooms, which I grew in the comfort of my kitchen using the Back to the Roots starter kit. Mushrooms are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like selenium and ergothioneine, which supports your immune system and promote overall health.